Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to loot a copper dungeon. Before venturing in, make sure you are well prepared. You'll need a reliable pickaxe for mining, a strong sword for defense, and plenty of torches to light your way. Don't forget to pack some healing potions or food to keep your health up. Also, wear your best armor and clear your inventory for all the shiny copper you're about to find. Once you've found the dungeon entrance, it's time to descend. As you move through the dark passages, place torches every few blocks to ensure good visibility and prevent hostile creatures from spawning behind you. Always be careful, peeking around corners and listening for any sounds of danger. Keep an eye out for the reddish-brown gleam of copper ore veins along the walls. They are your primary target. When you encounter enemies, engage them strategically with your sword. Focus on any ranged attackers first to minimize incoming damage. After securing an area, use your pickaxe to mine every single copper or vein you see. Each block typically yields 2 or 3 pieces of raw copper. Watch out for environmental dangers like sudden drops or pools of lava. Don't forget to collect any valuable items dropped by foes or found in hidden chests. After you've gathered a substantial amount of copper and other treasures, or if your inventory is completely full, it's time to make your way out. Carefully retrace your path back to the dungeon entrance, ensuring you don't miss any hidden paths. Once safely above ground, smelt your raw copper into shiny ingots using a furnace. These ingots can then be used for various crafting recipes or to enhance your building projects. Congratulations on a successful copper haul.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.